Good day, sir. I'm Joey Alcantara, and here is my part, which is the login. So first, I create a HTML folder named login.html. In first line, doc type HTML. This is to declare the document type and the version of HTML. The second line, HTML, the root element of the HTML document. The head is represent that contains meta information about the HTML document. The title, login title. This is set the title of web page which appears in the browser tab. Link rel equal stylish sheet type text dash slash css href is equals to style.css link as external as CSS file for styling. This style contains internal CSS for styling. For form, background image URL, static. This static pic is the image of the background image, and background size cover. Set the background image for the form and ensure it covers and the entire area. So div class equals form box. A div element which with a class um, form box used as container for the form and its element. Form class is equals to form equals form for a form element with a class form. Span class equals title. The title is Marana sa Baras. Span element with a class title. Display from title. Span class equals subtitle dash span. A comment out span element for subtitle. Div class form equal form container. A div element with a class form container to group input field. Input type equals text class input placeholder full name. A div element with a class form container to a class text class equals input placeholder full name. A comment out input field for name. Um, password. Input equals password class input placeholder password ID is equals to password. An input field for password with a class input and an ID password. Input type equals checkboard checkbox. Unclick equals show password. Close and open parenthesis. Span show password. A checkbox to toggle password visibility with a function. Show password to trigger an I trig on click. ahref equals index.html button login button a form. A button inside an anchor tag linking to index.html, which is this one. Nganing mag-redirect sa index. Div class is equals to form section. A div element with a class form section. Ito, comment out paragraph prompting user with an account to log in. The div is this dash div, the closest this will to close the div element with a element form box. This script contains JavaScript code. Tapos ito na yung password niya. Defines JavaScript function. Tapos shown password. Function password. Define the JavaScript function shown password to toggle the password field visibility between text and password. Tapos this is the closes the body and the HTML element. Tapos pag tigran, this is the outcome. This way. Pag nag-log in siya dito, ito na yung magiging, dito na siya mag-redirect. This one. The index. That's all.